Miniature car unboxing videos are exploding right now. One Instagram page went from 0 to thousands of followers posting nothing but this, and their videos are pulling in millions of views. And the entire process behind it? One prompt, 2 free tools, under 2 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create these realistic miniature car unboxing videos from start to finish. And stay until the end, because I'll show you how to get the master prompt completely free so you can start creating your own. Hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next viral AI niche. Let's get started. Step 1. Open up ChatGPT. You'll also need the Google Doc I set up for this workflow. It's linked right below, or comment and I'll send it to you. Copy the very first prompt from the doc, drop it into ChatGPT, and click send. This prompt instructs ChatGPT to generate 20 high-performing vehicle ideas, focusing on iconic brands and luxury models. Once the list generates, scan through and pick whichever one feels the most visually exciting to watch get unboxed. Copy it, keep it ready, and let's move to Step 2. Step 2. Head back to the Google Doc and copy the free master prompt in full. Next, open Google Flow and adjust your video settings. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and the model to Omni Flash. Paste the entire master prompt into the prompt box. Now, there's only one thing you need to customize: the vehicle name. Grab the car name you copied from ChatGPT and paste it straight into the vehicle placeholder. That's literally it. Hit generate. One prompt, one car name, and you get a complete, polished video ready to post instantly. Here's where this turns into a real content engine. You don't rewrite the prompt, you just swap the car name. Drop in the next vehicle from your ChatGPT list and click generate again. If you generated 15 car names, you now have 15 ready-to-post videos from a single session. That's 2 full weeks of daily content built in under 30 minutes. The master prompt are completely free in the description. Copy the prompt, pick your car, and start creating your first miniature unboxing video today. And subscribe to the channel, because every week, I'm finding the next viral AI niche before it gets saturated.